The Eye of Horus, also known as the Wadjet, is one of the most recognizable symbols from ancient Egypt. It holds deep significance both culturally and religiously. It is often depicted as a stylized human eye with distinctive markings similar to those of a falcon. The Eye of Horus symbolizes protection, royal power, and good health. The Eye of Horus was believed to have healing and protective power, and it was commonly used as an amulet by both the living and the deceased to ward off evil and provide safety in the afterlife. The significance of the Eye of Horus stems from the myth of god Horus and god Set. According to the myth, Horus, the god of the sky with falcon head, lost his left eye in a fierce battle with Set, his uncle who was the god of chaos. The eye was magically restored by Thoth, the god of wisdom. Thus, the Eye of Horus came to represent restoration and healing. The eye consists of 6 parts, each representing a different sense. The eyebrow represents thought, the pupil stands for sight, the spiral curve symbolizes hearing, and the lines extending downward convey smell, touch, and taste. These 6 parts symbolizing the ability to perceive and interact with the world. This connectivity of the human senses further underscores the comprehensive protective qualities attributed to the symbol. In ancient Egypt, the Eye of Horus featured prominently in various facets of daily and spiritual life. Amulets bearing the eye were commonly worn by individuals seeking protection from harm, evil spirits, and ill health. Egyptians believed that the Eye of Horus possessed magical properties and used it widely as a protective charm. This amulet, also called Wadjet, was believed to ward off evil spirits, prevent harm, and provide safety to the wearer. It was a common practice to place the Eye of Horus amulets in tombs and burial sites to protect the deceased in the afterlife and ensure a safe journey to the afterworld. The prevalence of the Eye of Horus in funerary art and architecture highlights its importance in guiding and safeguarding souls on their journey beyond death. Beyond its protective and funerary uses, the Eye of Horus served as a mathematical tool. Ancient Egyptians utilized the fractional components of the eye's design in their unit fraction system. Each part of the eye was associated with a specific fraction, and these fractions together formed a whole, representing completeness. The ancient Egyptians also placed emphasis on the eye's connection to sound health and restoration, using it in medical contexts as well. Today, the Eye of Horus continues to capture the imagination and interest of people worldwide. It is often associated with protection, good health, and spiritual insight in modern symbology. Additionally, it appears in contemporary jewelry, art, and popular culture, bridging the ancient past with present-day significance. The enduring legacy of the Eye of Horus exemplifies its profound impact on both ancient and modern societies, serving as a timeless emblem of protection, healing, and holistic well-being. The belief in the Eye of Horus by the ancient Egyptian wasn't only about fearing malevolent forces, but also about fostering a sense of peace and harmony in everyday life, embedding a deep sense of cosmic order and balance.